ready? Ready? I'm so hungry. Is it good? More.
Ooh, that's the first mushy food.
I need the spoon back if you want more. Okay, I'll get another one.
Was that a good one? Was it tasty? Was it very, very tasty? More?
Brand new bowls. Oh, I can't see. Ready? Oh, not too
a little
far.
bit deep.
Hold
I
it
think
down
she
a little
realizes
further.
there's food in her mouth.
Ready? Oh, you love it. Good girl. You be a good eater like Luca. A bit more. Is it good? Is it very tasty?
You gotta keep it in your mouth.
Oops. Gotta swallow what you got first.
You're teasing her.
There it is. I knew it would come back.
You're a big girl. You're a really big girl.
Some more? Luca's missing it.
That's alright, Luca will probably try and steal it.
That's true.
Hello, Luca. Bonjour.
It's one pretty girl. Ready? More? Oh. Is it very tasty? Ready?
Wow, that's good.
Good girl. Go. Oops. Wrong way. Wrong way.
To breathe.
Papa's so funny. Hey. Give it to me. Someone's a very good eater. Hi.